let's say if, a startup has got only probably 10 or 15 users, right? So it's kind of I mean, it's reliable and it's little less in money. So that will be possible for you, right?
Yeah, definitely that's possible for us because that's where we are building. That's a great question, actually, Vishwa. See, larger enterprises like banks have a huge workforces and they have a dedicated kind of an IAM team. Actually, probably you guys will have a, I think you are from an IAM background, I know very well, and Kashish is from an IAM background, I know very well that you guys have a very good kind of an, work experience working with the, a very huge organizations and big investments banks, financial banks, especially in UK, if I'm talking about. Now, so they can afford complex tools and, but, if you go for a small and medium enterprises organizations, yes, definitely 10, 20, or even 100 users, a small, medium enterprise, if I'm talking about. There are many companies which I've worked with a small, medium enterprise. I can see that then they're still adopting kind of going for an Okta if it's still costly also, but they don't have any other options. They don't find a very good product other than Okta and other Savian kind of things, other other products as well. But still, they are handling the sensitive customer data and face some kind of a same risk just without those budgets and resources. But Kelltron is built exactly for them, a lightweighted, a scalable, a cost-effective. You don't need a big team or a heavy setup for doing this. That's what I can definitely, say that. Okay, I can challenge on this one. And we make this identity management more practical, and reliable kind of things, and affordable even for a small workforces. How are we doing it? AI. We're using AI here. So we made a few automations. We prepared some use cases where you don't require much kind of a workforces here. So we are trying to make it very light and more of an automation kind of a process, which we are developing it. Not huge workforce is not needed. No manual kind of a process is involved. No manual kind of an approvals is being involved. So example, an AI chatbot is built, which is integrated with your Teams and with your messengers, where you have approval. You don't need to log into the tool directly. It is just that, once when you get a request, it goes and pops up with the workflows directly into your Teams or a Slack channel, whatever it's been built on, okay? And whatever the messenger you use it, and you just go ahead and give your approvals or your comments, feedbacks directly straight away here. This takes to your approvals and all of that. So that's how we made it with AI. And nice. With a smaller workforces, you can also manage this IAM tool and including the IGA as well. So that's where we have bought it. IAM plus IGA combined work together, which most of we didn't find in such a way in the market. I think many tools doesn't do it in the market in such a way. So yeah.